Her love letters to and from Daddy were in an old box. Her love letters to and from Daddy were in an old box, tied with ribbons and stiff, rigid with H leather thongs, 1918 through 1920. Why, Daddy, in this sentence was written with a capital D.
The rule of thumb is that if you can replace the name daddy/mommy/dad/mom with a name, that it gets capitalized. I received 20 letters from Daddy. I received 20 letters from John. That works, so capitalize Daddy. I received 20 letters from my Daddy. I received 20 letters from my John. Wrong. Using my dad means no capital, because one should not say my John normally. Guide, capitalize words such as mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, and sis when they are used in place of the person's name. Do not capitalize them when they follow possessive pronouns such as her, his, my, our, your. Mother wrote to father every day. Mary wrote to John every day. Correct me, mother wrote to father every day. My Mary wrote to John every day. Incorrect. My Mary is not used this way. My mother wrote to father every day. Correct.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.